Hey there! Looking at this SQL curriculum? Smart move. U2X AI Academy just crack the code on something most courses get wrong. They don't just teach you SQL syntax, they teach you how to think like a data professional. Let me show you what makes this different. The game-changing approach. Here's what's brilliant about U2X AI Academy. They skip the boring textbook stuff and throw you straight into real business scenarios. Revenue analysis for SaaS companies, user behavior tracking for social platforms, inventory optimization for e-commerce. You're not memorizing queries, you're solving actual problems. What makes this special? The built-in AI assistant is reportedly 4 times better than ChatGPT for SQL learning. Stuck on a join? It explains it in simple terms. Need query optimization tips? It's got you covered. Available 24/7 and never judges your questions. That's like having a senior data analyst mentoring you personally. Module breakdown. Module 1.1, Database Introduction. This isn't theory class. You'll understand databases through real business lens, how Netflix structures movie data, how banks organize transactions, how e-commerce sites handle millions of products. The scenario-based approach means you're learning with context from day one. Module 1.2, SQL Select Statements. Your data extraction superpower. But here's the difference. You'll practice with actual business data sets. Finding high-value customers, analyzing sales trends, tracking user engagement. The interactive practice gives instant feedback, so you know immediately if you're thinking like a pro. Module 1.3, Sorting and Limiting. Learn to organize data chaos into business intelligence. Create leaderboards, identify top performers, find recent activity. The AI assistant ensures you understand not just how to write order by and limit, but when and why to use them. Module 1.4, SQL Operators. This is where business logic meets code. Comparison. Logical and arithmetic operators that power everything from fraud detection to customer segmentation. The scenario-based learning means you're practicing with realistic conditions companies actually use. Module 1.5, Null Handling. Real data is messy, and U2X AI Academy doesn't sugarcoat this. You'll master is-no, cols, and case-when statements using actual messy datasets. The interactive practice helps you build bulletproof queries that won't break in production. Module 1.6, SQL Flashcards. Interview-focused rapid practice. These aren't generic flashcards. They're designed around the types of problems you'll face in technical interviews. Perfect for last-minute prep or keeping your skills sharp. The competitive advantage. Here's what sets this apart. You're interview-ready from day one. While other courses teach syntax, U2X AI Academy teaches business problem-solving. You'll understand the logic behind every query, think like senior analysts, and answer questions with confidence. Real business applications. Every module connects to actual job scenarios. Marketing teams analyzing campaign performance, sales teams tracking quotas, product teams measuring user engagement, finance teams generating reports. You're not just learning SQL, you're learning how professionals use SQL. The AI Mentor difference. The built-in AI assistant tracks your weak spots and suggests personalized practice. Struggling with joins? It creates custom scenarios. Need help with complex where clauses? It breaks them down step by step. It's like having a personal tutor who knows exactly what you need. Learning efficiency. They claim 10x faster learning, and here's why that makes sense. No time wasted on irrelevant syntax drilling. You'll jump straight to business problem solving. Every query you write has purpose and context. That's how you build real expertise quickly. Interview preparation. This curriculum is laser-focused on getting you hired. Scenarios mirror actual interview questions. The AI assistant helps you articulate your thinking process. You'll walk into interviews confident because you've already solved similar problems. Why this works. Traditional courses teach you to write queries. U2X AI Academy teaches you to solve business problems using SQL. There's a huge difference. Companies don't hire people who can memorize syntax. They hire people who can turn data into insights. Success strategy. Take advantage of the AI assistant. Ask questions, request examples, get explanations. Practice with the real business scenarios. Don't skip to advanced topics. Build your understanding step by step. The interactive feedback will guide you. Bottom line. This isn't just another SQL course. It's interview preparation disguised as learning. You're not just gaining technical skills, you're developing the business thinking that makes SQL professionals valuable. Companies need people who can connect data to decisions, and that's exactly what this curriculum builds.